Hey guys, my name is Dini and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the hidden truths about trading Forex in 2022. I'm going to be talking about what isn't mentioned a lot, and it's going to be an eye-opener. So stick around in this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel, and without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So hidden truth number one. Stress. Yes, as much as a lot of traders portray, the lifestyle to be very easy and just a money-making thing, trading Forex can be stressful. Now you might be wondering, why is it stressful? Is it because, you're risking a lot? No. The reason why it could be stressful is because of uncertainty. Uncertainty if you're going to win or lose. Uncertainty if you're going to survive in the next couple of months. And I'll give you an example. When you have a job, you have a contract. If you work from Monday to Friday, on Friday, you're gonna get a paycheck. As a trader, it doesn't work like that. There is no paycheck. There is no contract. So there's a lot of uncertainty. When there's uncertainty, there's stress. So in some months you can be profitable, some months you can be in a loss, and some months you can be in a break even. And break even means you haven't made anything, you haven't lost anything, you're just at a balance. And so in regards to other stresses like when you lose a trade, I always recommend have risk management. When you have risk management, it takes a lot of stress out of the window. Now there's a little bit of stress because of the uncertainty. I don't care how good of a trader you are or an experienced trader you are, you don't know what's gonna happen next. I don't care how good your strategy is, you don't know if you buy, if it's going to push towards the upside. So there's a little bit of stress there in terms of, the uncertainty, and that's hidden truth number one, the stress. And last but not least, hidden truth number two is capital. Listen, if you're looking to make a lot of money trading Forex or consistently making money, then you're going to need capital. Think about it. If you have £100,000 account, right? £100,000 account, and you make, let's say, 10% in a month, that's £10,000, right? Now, if you're looking to make more than that, the only way you can is by risking a lot, right? So if you want to not risk a lot and trade like a gambler, you need a large amount of capital. Now, some of you may say, hey, Dini, I can turn $500 into $10,000. Well, I wouldn't consider you a trader. I would consider you a gambler, right? I'm talking about someone that wants to invest and wants to get, consistent returns without trading like a gambler, without trading like, it's a casino. And realistically, the only way you can do so is if you have large amounts of capital, or if you manage large amounts of capital, meaning you could trade under a prop firm where they give you capital like FTMO or Funding Talent or anything like that, or you need to come up with your own capital where you have a business going on and you use that business revenue to supply your trading career, or you have a high paying job. Unless you have that or you have a lot of savings, right? It really doesn't make sense for you to trade with $100 unless you're looking to test the waters, see what trading is about. But if you're looking to start with $100 and turn that into millions, well, that's not going to happen realistically. So yeah, you're going to need capital. And anyone that says you can trade with $1,000, make $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, you can flip accounts, but to trade like an investor and risk 2 to 3% or less than that and consistently make that revenue between losing, winning, and then turning out to be profitable, you're going to need a large amount of capital. So yeah, talking about capital, do you know the broker that I recommend you trade with is HeroFX. HeroFX gives you a 50% deposit bonus when you deposit. That means if you deposit $100,000, they're going to put $50,000 on top. Imagine having free money to trade with. Yes, that's HeroFX. And whatever I recommend is 100% legit. So click the link below, sign up with HeroFX and deposit now. So yeah, those are the two hidden truths, that trading is stressful at times and you're going to realistically need a large amount of capital if you wish to make large amounts of returns. But yeah, this is a quick video that I wanted to put out there so you guys can know about the hidden truths. But yeah, smash the like button if you want to see more videos from me, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.